this bitch. Yeah. Taylor Gang, Happy Hustle. Deal or no deal. I'm money affiliated. Yeah. Bitch. And I'm screaming, fuck them niggas who hated. I'm money affiliated. Speculating me land, it musta got me mistaken with lame niggas. Know you gon' get high as fuck as long as the plane's with ya. Left that major situation alone and became richer. People talking down, but see me, I'm the same nigga. Leave your bitch around, we gon' drink the champagne with her. He don't touch the ground, see a cloud with my name in it. Only easy riders, please, no cigars for me and my gang. Oh, I'm a legend in these streets, cause how I do my thing. And don't wear the fitted, I got the city on my chain. Oh man, still they hate and talk smack, knowing if I was gone, there'd be no throne to throw your rocks at. Cruising maximum altitudes, I'm trying to top that. So in touch with the real, them suckers trying to stop that. But I live or let die, party get high, and tell them lames to the plane or let fly. Don't know what they hate for, I'm just getting my paper. Well, maybe they'll love me more when I'm gone. I don't wanna leave, but I need to. It's such a shame. They gon' miss this plane. 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 I try to believe you, I don't wanna leave, but I need to. Stuck alone in this wave race, say I'm living too fast, don't plan on changing my pace. Got one foot on the gas, there's never a need for brakes. Smoke easy riders with hash, fuck bitches from out of state. Ballet bringing my cars, a waiter to bring me plates. Shrimp and filet mignon, we celebrate buying drinks. With a couple of broads, my niggas ain't who got love for me. It's lonely at the top, I'm tired of having company. So while you busy trying to fit in, I'ma stand out and view my life through this lens to see how it pans out. Substitute teacher ass niggas need a handout. Middle finger screaming, fuck them niggas who hated. I'm money affiliated. Pop another bottle, that chronic smoking degraded. Speculating me land, it musta got me mistaken. I'm speaking as the captain of the plane. Use a runner, run the jet.
Okay. Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy Wiz Khalifa, man. Right now, you checking out This Plane off my upcoming album, Deal or No Deal, in stores November 24th. Dropping on Rostrum Records, Ring Radio, and iHip-Hop distribution. Okay.
I try to believe you, I don't wanna leave, but I need to.